Okay, here's my web page, and it is now working on appspot.com. As you can see, there's a slide bar here, shows pictures. There's project showing the project I've been working on. The contact me. This is the local address, and you can submit your contact information. Here's a resume. If you log in, okay, you can see it is almost the same, but if you click the private one, the color change indicates you that you already got into the private area. All this navigation, they are the same as the public area, but the visual page is private. There's a light box effect. If you click it, it will open up a larger one. Yep. And I use Python to write the. Where is my Python page? This is Python code for this whole Google App Engine website. I use multiple handlers, and all this file is in a pattern like in this pattern, the templates, all this contact page, index page extends the base.html. The JavaScript code is here, and all the images under the a static folder. Okay, that's basically all I have for this project. Thank you for watching.